What's up? What's up, y'all? Welcome. I'm your girl, TonyaNicole, and y'all have entered and clicked into my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today on the platter, boo, we have LashyBox. I am so ready to bust this baby wide open. I hope y'all ready too. So grab your liquor, grab your orange juice, your coffee, milk, whatever it is that you're drinking, and let's get this party started. Hey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Why? Because you want to. What's up, party people? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole. And y'all, I'm in a great mood today. Why? Y'all know we hit 4K. Oh, girl, I am so excited to see all of my new subscriber friends, family. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I am doing spectacular. Not really, I'm still a little congested, but guess what? I am feeling marvelous today. I'm unboxing one of my favorite subs, LashyBox. If you are new to this channel, y'all should know, well, you don't know, but your girl right here, TonyaNicole, she's the lash queen. She loves dramatic lashes, glamorous lashes. Y'all know I'm dramatic, so what else would I wear but dramatic lashes? Yeah, I know. But we ain't no discriminators. We do natural, we do soft glam, we do whatever you want over here. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time sharp. Yes, so be there or be square. Okay, so y'all know I'm drinking Moscato. We're gonna get some specs on this box. We're gonna drink, laugh, and unbox it. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, love, so this is LashyBox. This is a lash subscription. It also have makeup and sometimes some tools in here as well. This is their full size box. They also offer a mini box, dramatic box, a XL box. I will put everything down below in the link, so you just have to click it if you want to check it out and subscribe. It's gonna be right down there in that description box. Yeah, y'all know where it's at. You get 3 to 4 pairs of lashes, a makeup tool, and or a beauty item. This box is $13.99 per month plus shipping. Shipping depends on your location. So again, if you want to subscribe or just check out the site, I will put the link down below. Click it and do what you do. Now, what we're gonna do is get this box on and poppin', boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. I'm in a good mood. Ooh. So when we open her up, ooh, I don't want to give y'all no little peek, because guess what? Y'all might try to skip through the video. And I do appreciate all of my subscribers or viewers that watch my videos to the end. It means a lot to me, y'all, and it really helps me out. I appreciate you guys tremendously. I swear, I have some real bomb-ass subscriber squad people. I do. All right, so let's see what kind of lashes we got. First up, out of the box, we have these Ruby May lashes right here in the style Jacky. Jacky. Shout out to Jacky, Ina. There we go right there. Guys, these are the Ruby Made 3D lashes, and this is what they are looking like right there. Now, I am not a big fan of Ruby May's lashes because their band used to be really thick, but I'm noticing now that the band is a lot thinner, which will make them look a little more natural and curved to my eyes. So I definitely will be giving these lashes a try because they are the style that I like. They're nice and wispy. They have some short to long pieces in them, which will make you have like a dramatic, not too dramatic, but a sexy eye look, which I am loving. So yeah, boo, these are first. LashyBox does not come with a card, so I'll have to find the prices, guys, and put them down below for you. Next up, we have, ooh, from Jacky Love. Now, I love Jacky Love's lashes. They are amazing. These are the Jacky Love Faux Mink lashes in the style snack, because I'm a snack and you a snack. If you could be a snack, what would you be? I think I'm gonna be something like popcorn maybe, or maybe like a Rice Krispie treat. Girl, I don't know. But these are very, very pretty. They're full. They're definitely TonyaNicole approved. I love her lashes. I've tried them before. They last a long time. They're nice and soft. Very, very flexible. Bendable to my eyes. I love these lashes. They're gorgeous. I haven't had these before, but I'm a fan. I will definitely be wearing these in my videos. And I'll let y'all know. Today, I don't know which ones I'm wearing. Oh, I'm wearing the ones from Lash Me Monthly. These. They don't have a name on them, but yeah, those are the ones I'm wearing today. Next up, guys, we have another Jacky Love pair, and this one is in the style Fire, and these are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This will make your eyes, these are kind of the lashes that I'm wearing today, are similar to these. And you see how they just give you like this, I don't know, it just draws attention straight to your eyes. That's what I love. Oh, they're gorgeous. I love it. I cannot wait to put them on. I can at least get like 20 wears out of these if I care for them properly. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with Jacky Love's lashes. They are pretty bomb, y'all, I'm telling you. Then we have, oh, girl, from LashyBox, these are in the style Pumpkin, and they are orange. Perfect for fall, perfect for Halloween and October. I love these. Gorgeous. I remember they sent us a purple pair, and oh yes, I love these. These are beautiful. LashyBox's lashes usually retails for $9.99, I think, but I do like that they threw in these beautiful fall colored lashes. I love it. Then we got from Zula Lashes, this is a magic lash liner right there. It is in the color black, and this is also a lash liner and adhesive combo. So this is something I'm very excited to receive. I will not open this one because I am using the Lily Lash adhesive liner, which I'm still trying to play with because it will hold the middle of the lashes, but the corners still raise up. So I'm trying to finesse it so I don't have to use like 2 and 3 glue products on my lashes. So yeah, once I'm done with that one, then we will definitely switch to this one. But I know I've been promising a eyelash video, guys, y'all, and a nail video. Ooh, I'm telling y'all, between work, hurricanes, this cold I have or whatever, y'all, I just am not fit for anything. But I promise I will try to pump those out soon. I promise, y'all. I promise. But I am happy to receive this. And then our last product is a palette. This is from Beauty Creations, and this is the Splash of Hues Volume 1 palette. When we slide it out, that is what it looks like right there. And when we open it up, oh girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. Y'all know I love a mirror. And let me pull this back, guys. Oops. Oh, wait. Let's pull it back. Okay, there we go. And these are the shades right there. Very, very bright rainbow colors, vibrant colors. It looks like you have one shimmer and the rest are matte shades. I won't swatch this because I know this would be one that I don't use. The colors are just a little too loud for me. But I guess if you're doing like a punk rocker or a rainbow or unicorn for Halloween, you definitely will get a lot of use out of this palette, like a lot of use. So yeah, I'm going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. So I'm excited to receive this. I am. Okay. So that was our final product in this month's LashyBox. We're going to quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So quick, huh? I know. So guys, we received from LashyBox these pumpkin lashes here. From Jacky Love, these lashes in the style Fire. From Jacky Love again, these lashes in the style Snack. From Ruby May, these lashes right here in the style Jacky, 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 Jacky. From Zula Lashes, this lash adhesive liner. And from Beauty Creations, this Splash of Hues palette. So that is 6 products for this month for $13.99. All right, loves. Final thoughts on this box. I absolutely love the box. I love the lashes. I can definitely get use out of every single pair of lashes. I got tape on my finger that I received. I love the box. You get a whole full-size palette for $13.99 plus 4 lashes and a liner. Girl, like, really? This is like a good box. I was like kind of low-key not feeling LashyBox for the last few months because, girl, I don't know what they was doing. They was slipping and tripping, but I'm back to liking them. And I think I'm going to keep subscribing for a couple more months, y'all. So, yes, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, 3 a pumpkin patch. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to give a LashyBox for the month of October a whopping 4.5. I really thought it was a great box. Welcome back, LashyBox, because I missed you. Trust me. So yes, guys, that is all that I have for this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up with y'all in the comments. Let's discuss this box. Let's discuss life. Let's discuss whatever you want to. Y'all know I am game. Bear with me, guys. I am trying to catch up on comments. Y'all know I don't like to leave any comments unread or answered. I love responding to my people. If you have not done so already, subscribe to your girl. Become a part of my family. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Everything is linked down below, my loves. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, if you like me. If you don't like it, I don't want no thumbs down because somebody just keep putting the thumbs down on my things. Why? Shit. We ain't worrying about you. Anywho, so that's all I have, guys. Until next time in next video, you guys stay beautiful, stay sexy, stay snackish, and I'll see y'all in the comments and on my next video. Peace. Bye, y'all.